Good morning. Welcome back to our channel. Hey you.
Hey guys.
It's about what, mid-January? Yeah, exactly mid-January.
Mid-January.
And it's cold, my nose is red, my cheeks are red. He's wearing a hat. Look at that hat. Very hat wearing. We are working outside today.
Yep, yard renovation.
Digging out our future poultry coop. Poultry coop. Right there. You guys, if you've seen any of our other vlogs, you've probably noticed it back in this corner here. Here's our garden and the shed and all that. And we had this thing right there. Well, our plan, let me turn the camera around and show you a little better. Our plan is to move this shed right there and cut a little duck or chicken, whatever we end up doing, hole in the side and build kind of an indoor coop inside of it and attach that to this, which was already here when we moved here. Pam's enjoying it. And make this our poultry run and have the indoor space butted up right against it. Then we can keep the rest of their feed in there, maybe some wood, who knows. And have a little bit of room for compost bins along this section. So we've already moved that.
Yep, we moved that.
Which was a pain and a half. It was like buried in boards and wood and stuff. And we're like, huh, we should vlog this. This is actually like useful to what our channel's about. But what's the next step?
The next step, we have to kind of clear the ground area for where the shed's gonna go.
Right.
Then we have to
unload the shed.
Empty the shed, because right now it's full of firewood and bikes and all kinds of stuff that we threw in there. So we have to unload it, unbury it, because it's also sunk in the dirt.
Yeah.
And then move it, which everybody tells me can't be done. So
challenge accepted. But it's a beautiful day to do this. I mean, look at this gorgeous sunny weather.
Sunny.
So nice to have a break from winter. It is cold, but I'd rather be cold and sunny than warm and wet.
Yeah.
For this kind of project, because we get moving and we warm up.
Yep.
Here's to it. Let's start flattening the ground.
Yeah. Get the shovels.
Leave the squirrel alone. Pam, leave it.
Hey.
Leave the squirrel alone. Pam, come here. Come here, yeah. Our yard is just full of these pieces that came out of the chain link fence. And they're all broken and cracked and everywhere. This is our second dog food bag full of them.
And then the guy who used to mow the lawn, he just mowed over them all and cut them all into little bits.
Tiny little shreds. There we go. All evened out and ready for that bad boy right there. Now we've put a couple of really long boards across underneath and screwed in the shed so it won't slide off. And now we're gonna put a couple eye bolts in on these ends, put some rope across it, and hopefully we can just drag it across the yard like a skid. We'll see if that works.
So for screwing in the eye bolt, when it gets a little bit too tight to screw in by hand, I'm going to use my fancy little multi-tool here, and it's got all these little pins and stuff, so you can put pretty much any size bolt or nut or eye hook or anything like that.
And it'll ratchet. I'll try to remember to put a link down below if you guys want to buy one, because it's awesome. already that moved really easily. Alrighty. Thank you. You ready to pull on this thing? You look contemplative.
We want to put boards underneath it so it'll slide easier.
What do you mean?
I mean, we can try it.
Alrighty. Oh, look at you. You're all like tying into it. Oh, probably a good idea. I can't do this. Okay. Can't do this in vlog. Hang on. Than we've gotten in like an hour.
Well, so far so good.
Yeah! Woo! Before we move the shed into its final location, Cody's gonna cut down some of these overhanging branches that drop those nasty berries everywhere. And while he does that, I'm gonna move the eye bolts to the other side so we can pivot it. That's a lot better. A lot more airy and open over the coop. We definitely have more branches we want to take down, but we need to talk to the neighbor before we basically cut down his tree. His whole tree is hanging into our side of the yard.
Yeah, there's a few of them like that. That one's dead and hanging over.
It's a stupid tree. Look at all that. That's a lot of branches. All right, ready to move the barn? We did it, we did it, we did it. In your face, Mr. Layton! Said it couldn't be done. He said it couldn't be moved.
There was a lot of people that said it couldn't be moved.
We moved it. Yes! I'm a little proud. You a little proud?
A little proud.
What do you think?
A few extra dents in it.
A couple extra dents. That thing was full of dents anyway.
Yeah, it was.
And now it's not full of blackberries.
That's true. Yep, new horizons for the shed.
I'm so excited. I'm so excited. And we still got time to move the firewood back in.
Yay! Oh, it's starting to rain.
Perfect timing. Cody, would you like to demonstrate how our poultry house will work? Since you're already being a chicken.
Poultry house. Okay.
We'll need to predator proof that a little bit. Then we'll cut a hole in the side right there to allow the creatures to come into the barn. in which place we will build some kind of indoor enclosure. And then we can keep feed and maybe some wood, depending on what ends up happening with our wood pile. But some garden tools and whatever else outdoor things need to be stored in this area of the yard. I think it'll work really well.
Yep. I feel bad for the next people in this place. They'll have a hole cut in the side of their shed.
True.
Not that the shed's worth anything.
We'll just advertise it as a chicken coop.
Yeah.
They've got a little spot right here for setting up some compost. Alrighty, got everything back in the shed, stacked up. Eventually the bikes and the lawnmower will live somewhere else, and that'll be the inside of the duck coop. We're pretty sure we're doing ducks. Not 100% positive, but pretty sure.
Pretty sure.
Pretty sure. And we'll end up with a compost pile right about here.
Yeah, we decided to move it.
Yeah, we were gonna do it there, but we think a lean-to of some sort to keep tools and other such, and the bike over here would be more efficient. We moved that one big piece of fencing to the other side just to kind of block some of the visual from the neighbor.
And the wind.
And the wind, yeah, that's
A lot
true.
of the wind comes from that side from ducks or whatever we end up putting there.
And look at that big empty space. You gotta clear all the rest of the junk and garbage and weeds out.
All I can see is blueberries.
Yes. As far as the eye can see.
Well, to the fence anyways.
But I think that about wraps it up for today.
Yeah, that'd be it for today.
Good day's work.
I'm surprised we got it all done that fast.
We did.
That was good.
First major step in the backyard. Well, besides getting the garden
We got the
prepped.
garden prepped.
But otherwise, that's the first big step in the right direction.
Oh,
Well,
and we've got a Pam yard put in.
oh yeah, we put Pam's potty yard up.
So,
Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Like, share, and subscribe.
and we'll see you in the next one.
Yep. Bye. Thanks for watching, you guys. You wanna say it? I said it. Try again.
Thanks for watching, guys. Like, share,
Blah, 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 blah.